So this is my United Recruit RN3 2011 bike check, I guess. I got it about 9 months ago. I got new shit on it, obviously, so I'll just tell you the new shit and everything else is stock. I got this Colony sprocket, 25 tooth. I got this YBN half-link chain, which is really good. I love it. I've got Fly Clasico back brakes. A Weeder people cable. It's a bit buggered though. I just got these new United grips. United Nathan William grips. United seat. Pivotal. Federal post. If you can see, Colony bottom bracket. It's pretty dirty. I've been riding dirt, so. Yeah, and I got these new BSD ghetto forks. They're amazing. I just got them like 3 days ago, but I really like them. I got this Eastern lever, just a cheap one. Yeah, that's about it. Everything else is stock, so. Alright, thank you.